This is Code Combat, Introduction to Computer Science, and I'm on level 4, Enemy Mine. I'm working on the Python version of the course. Goals: avoid the fire traps, get the gems, use 5 lines of code or less. 5 lines or less. You can use arguments to optimize your code. Instead of move right and move right, you can use hero, move right, and 2. Oh, so I think since there's 2 lines here, if it's blank, you must move once, like we know. But if you put a number in here, your hero must move over that amount of times, I believe. Let's hit start and see. Okay, hero move right. Showing us around. I want to hit run to test this out. Is it running? There we are. Once, twice, and it should move over 3, and it does. Okay. So if we were to go down, these are bombs, and we would hit those. I would recommend avoiding bombs. Let's try going up, and I believe we're only going to need to go up once, if I remember. And then let's go right. And then let's try going down. And here, if we leave this blank, remember, it's just going to be 1, but that's all we want to move. However, we can put a number in here. Let's see if it's 2. Let's try moving 2. I'm going to go ahead and run it to see how that does. Okay, so we're going to move right, 1, 2, 3, up 1, over 1, and down once, and down again because of our number. It looks like we got to go down 1 more, and then right once, maybe right twice. Let's try that. So I can go ahead and change my down to a 3, and I'm going to start typing in move right, and oops, there we are. And instead of adding it again, I'm going to use that number because it looks like once and twice right. Let's hit run and see how that does. Excellent.